everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financiable. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to change password on Wise. So to get started, let's open Wise app. Make sure you have already installed Wise app. Now here you can see this interface. Here tap on profile icon as shown here. It will navigate you to this interface. Here you can see privacy and security. Tap on it. To navigate you to this interface, here you can see change password. Click on it. And here enter your current password. And here enter your new password. And then tap on change password. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.